to worry about those big gas prices though, because you just stay here. We live in a beautiful place with beautiful beaches and perfect weather.
No need to travel.
So no need to travel. Here's a shot of Morro Bay from our webcams at kspy.com. You can tune in there to see a whole list of different places before you head out for the day. Check on those beach conditions. Here's how we're looking right now. 82 degrees in Santa Barbara, Gaviota 56, much cooler there. Solvang 59, Santa Maria 72, San Luis Obispo 71, and Paso Robles 89 degrees. Pretty warm there. Here's a look at our 24-hour temp change. Santa Maria and San Luis Obispo, Vandenberg staying around what we saw yesterday, but Paso Robles much warmer than it was yesterday. Still not as hot as we've been seeing in Paso Robles. For the day, Santa Barbara got to 86 degrees, Goleta 80, and Morro Bay 69 degrees. Paso Robles got up to 89. This same day last year, we broke a record in Paso Robles with 110 degrees, so a huge difference, 21 degrees when you look at what we got up to today. Pismo Beach 77, San Luis Obispo 76, Santa Maria 76, and Lompoc 75. Again, another cold start to the day in Lompoc. Current wind conditions are gusting up, as you can see, in Santa Maria, San Luis Obispo, down to Vandenberg, and somewhat in Santa Barbara. Most of that high wind gust is going to be in the northern part of Santa Barbara County. In fact, we have an advisory, which I'm going to show you about here, in the Santa Barbara County, northern part of that. Small craft advisory on the water line because of those gusts of wind. Winds can be between 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35. In some places, those gusts will even be 50. That's the potential for 50 miles per hour winds. So very gusty out there, and that's caused by a high ridge of pressure moving in tonight. So that's going to be with us until about Saturday morning. And as we move into Saturday morning, you'll see on this microclimate model here that warning fades out around 3 a.m. Saturday, and that's because as we get going into the weekend, starts to clear off that marine layer, finally moves back in a little bit into Saturday, and as we pause here, 7 a.m. Saturday, those winds die off, and that's when that marine layer sticks onto the coast, so you'll see a little bit of haze in the sky Saturday morning. It should clear out for you by later that evening. Here's the forecast for tomorrow as you get ready to head out for your big Labor Day weekend. 85 Santa Barbara, Lompoc 73, Santa Maria 77, San Luis Obispo 93, and Paso Robles 93. So it's going to be a warm one out there tomorrow. Looking closer in Santa Barbara County, 80 degrees in Carpinteria, 81 in Goleta, Los Alamos 86, and Solvang 92. Up in the 5 cities area, we're seeing a little bit warmer inland, 90 degrees in California Valley, Napomo 81, Pismo Beach 68, and Los Osos 65, so a bit cooler there. Morro Bay staying cool as always, 64, Atascadero 91, Cambria 66, and San Simeon 64. Here's your 5-day forecast. Santa Maria's hanging out in the mid-70s all week long, so it's going to be very consistent there, and pretty consistent in Santa Barbara as well, with sticking in the 80s for most of the week, cooling down a little bit as we get to Saturday, and then sticking around in the cooler temps. We're not going to see that cool down in San Luis Obispo County until Sunday. So we peak 95 in Paso Robles on Saturday, 89 on Saturday for San Luis Obispo, and then we start to cool down as we head into the week. Guys, back to you.